Okay guys, we got the tire back on. Trick is to get the bottom of the bead, that's the edge of the tire, the other edge here, get it over this way as far as you can, and when you do that, it should allow you to push this one on, and that's what it did. So it's back on, and we have a tire that's fixed. So now we're going to bring out our Yon 2 compressor and put some air in it. And the only thing I'm pissed off now is I don't know where I put the valve cover, valve cap. Oh, I found it. So we're just going to stick it right there on top of that piece of plastic, and we'll pull you back up when we're pumping it up. Short bursts.